Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing the polishing the front screen and the rear screen of the Fiesta, and we had the Hungarian in today for just checking the battery and then replacing the battery and his MOT. Alright boys, so first we need to clean the windscreen. So we cleaned it with that, and then that's what it looks like right now, and then we'll give it a quick wipe off, and then we shall get needed a second clean. Then we'll clean the rear windscreen. Alright, so we clean the rear windscreen and the rear wiper. We're going to be using the Autoglym Car Glass Polish. I had to buy this, it wasn't gifted, but it's really good stuff. I've used it on a previous video on the BMW, so we're going to use it on the Fiesta front and rear glass, and we'll go get that done. So we've got a good amount of it on the rag, so we're going to just work it in now. This is really difficult with trying to be a cameraman as well, but as you can see, we'll just work it in, and then as it's polished we'll just let it go a bit hazy and then go from there. Leave it to go hazy. As you can see, it's going hazy. Now time to do the front one. As you can see, got a lot more on there, so we'll work it in and we'll go from there. As you can see, the front's gone all hazy, so give it another minute and we shall give it off for wipe. Yeah, looks miles better. Now time to do the rear. As you can see, that's all gone all hazy, so we'll give that off a wipe and it should be all fine and dandy. And there we go. It could do a second coat if I'm honest with you, so we should do that. So we had to get the Hungarian's car in for a sketchy gearbox mount. Remove the battery and the cover for the battery and all sorts. I can't see anything, to be fair, but we'll have a little look. Anyway guys, so that was how I polished my front and rear windscreens. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.